A very good morning, my dear children. The last class we had completed this geography lesson 1. Today, let's see this geography full lesson through a slide representation. Everybody watch it. What is environment? Whatever we see in our surroundings, that is the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment is the basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. Environment is a combination of biotic and abiotic elements. Biotic elements are the world of living organism, example plants and animals. Abiotic elements are the world of non-living elements, example land, minerals. Changing our environment a cause of human greed. Clearance of vast forest areas for construction, cattle grazing, furniture, etc. Developmental activities like industrialization, urbanization, etc. Pollution of land and water bodies due to disposal of plastics, chemicals and dumping of dead bodies in the water bodies. Pollution of air due to the toxic fumes from industries and burning of substances. Components of environment. There are three components of environment: natural environment, human-made environment and human environment. First, natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprises natural environment. Four domains of the environment are: first, lithosphere. Lithosphere is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Lithosphere is the source of mineral wealth. Then second domain is hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. This domain comprises of different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. Third domain is atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapor. Fourth domain of the environment is biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. This is a narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Then what is an ecosystem? The relation between living organisms as well as relation between organisms and their surroundings form the ecosystem. It is a system formed by the physical and chemical interactions of living and non-living organisms. They are connected by the transfer of energy and materials. Ecosystem can be as huge as a large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, ocean and even a small pond. This is a pond ecosystem. A desert ecosystem, an ocean ecosystem, a grassland ecosystem, a mountain ecosystem, rainforest ecosystem, lake ecosystem. That's all. Then human environment. Human beings interact with environment and modify it for their adaptation and need. This modified environment is called human environment. Modification of environment does not take place instantly. Early humans lead a simple life and adapted to their natural surroundings. With the passage of time, their needs grew and they learned new ways to change and use environment. Development of human environment. Wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production, transportation became faster, information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Conclusion. All living beings and humans are interrelated. Hence, human beings should learn to live and use the environment in a sustainable, amicable, and harmonious ways. A perfect balance is necessary between the human and natural environments. That's all about this lesson. Study well, read the textbook nicely, take care of your health, stay safe and sound. Thank you.